A lot of investors out there focus primarily on what investments to choose when they forget one thing that could save them tens of thousands of dollars in taxes. As a financial planner with almost 10 years in the industry, I've seen that asset location can often save investors more on taxes than asset allocation. And you might be asking, well, what is asset location? I've never heard of that. And simply put, it is which type of investments you put in which type of account. Tax inefficient investments like REITs or actively managed funds, anything that's paying out a lot of income or capital gains, should generally be held in accounts like IRAs or 401ks because they have a tax advantage. And those accounts shield those distributions, the income and the capital gains, from immediate taxation. And there was actually an analysis done back in 2020 by Morningstar, and they found that the investors who implement some type of tax efficient asset location strategy can save around $7,800 a year in taxes, and they're not even changing what type of investments they're investing in, they're just changing the types of accounts that are holding those investments. So we already talked about investments that are paying out a lot of income, have a lot of capital gains. And now let's talk about the tax efficient investments. And these generally include broad market index ETFs and municipal bonds, things that aren't paying out a huge amount of income. These types of accounts should usually belong in a brokerage account where the income is taxed every year. Their minimal distributions and tax efficient nature make them suitable for non-sheltered accounts. And of course, the optimal structure is going to depend on your individual situation. So your tax bracket, your time horizon when you're planning on retiring or using the money in your accounts, and a variety of other factors. So it's important to get a specific tailored plan for you. And if you'd like to get a customized asset location strategy for your own situation, you can schedule a call with me through the link in my bio.